lemon challenge. I don't know how much lemon I'm supposed to use, so I'm just gonna cut off a part. So weird now. Guess this much. I don't think it's gonna be that sour. I mean, I tried some of the other lemon and it was super sour, but I think I got used to it now. Ready? Just do it. Oh my gosh. Challenge. Why did they?